For all of you who haven't been here before, this is probably a stunning sight. We are on Mount Lovćen, and what you can see is the cable car connecting the coast near Kotor with the mountain. Kotor Lovćen cable car starts near Kotor at approximately 65 meters above sea level and takes passengers up to the station at around 1,350 meters. The route is almost 4 kilometers long and the journey takes about 11 minutes. During the ride, you can enjoy spectacular views of the Bay of Kotor, surrounding mountains, Adriatic coast. Tickets cost around 25 euros, which I personally find quite expensive, but the cable car is still very popular with both tourists and local visitors. There are restaurants, viewpoints, and other facilities at the top, as well as hiking and cycling trails for those with a more adventurous spirit. Since Cetinje is located about 20 kilometers from this part of Lovćen, we decided to take the opportunity to visit the town and Njegoš's museum especially. Cetinje is the historic capital of Montenegro and one of the most important places in the country's history. Located at the foot of Mount Lovćen in a picturesque valley, it was for centuries the political, cultural, and spiritual center of Montenegro. The town was founded by Ivan Crnojević in the 15th century and later became the capital of Montenegro during the reign of King Nikola I Petrović. Although Cetinje is not a large city, it has a unique charm with peaceful streets, historic embassies, museums, parks, and many buildings that reflect Montenegro's rich past. Some of the town's most famous landmarks include Cetinje Monastery, Biljarda, the former residence of Petar II Petrović-Njegoš, and King Nikola's Palace, which is now a museum. Visitors can also explore Njegoš's museum, where personal belongings, books, weapons, and other objects connected with his life are preserved. There are several museums, and we visited Njegoš's museum, but unfortunately, I cannot show you those exhibits because photographs and filmings are prohibited inside the museum. This was supposed to be a somewhat longer video dedicated to Njegoš, but because we don't have any pictures from inside the museum, we will have to end the story about Njegoš's museum here. Cetinje offers a very different atmosphere from coastal towns such as Budva or Kotor. While the coast is known for its beaches and lively atmosphere, Cetinje attracts visitors with its history, culture, and authentic spirit of Montenegro. Walking through its streets feels almost like stepping back in time. Cetinje is an ideal destination for a day trip. It may not impress you immediately, but the more you discover it, the more you appreciate its unique atmosphere and historical importance.